there are these letters. When you find A, E, O, U, A. Are we together? When there is this letter, which sound is that? Whenever you find all these vowel letters having this, now this vowel letter influences them. Sorry, this consonant sound influences all these ones. Are you together? It's like finding a person who is speaking, assume they are speaking English. Like R is an English letter. When it finds a Muchiga, Teso, Munyankole, Muganda, it will make all of you speak the same language. Are you together? You will speak the same language. Now, is that explanation making more sense? What does that mean? When you put this here, you put it here, you put it here, you put it here, put it here. This R will also become the R. Now this is the R for car. Now this A will also become R, the R for her. Now even this E will become R, the R for sa. Girl, far, all together? Fast, farm. Now this one, for it has two. It will become the R for doctor, tutor, or the O for four. All together? Now this one, this is the R for turn, nurse, far, church. Are we getting that? Because of? Now, what about, like as you have said, when it has also this one? If it also has this, it will also become A. All together? The A for, I think there is, it's like that. Does it have this? Yes. Matter. Have you seen that? Have you got that now? So it will also become A in any word. So now this one, it becomes more of an influencer. So we have not yet reached on those sounds, but at least I wanted you at least to also learn that. So it has also enabled us to learn this one. So if you are learning these sounds, now this is the R for ba, the R for pa. That, do you have that pa? Star. Card. Far. Huh? Sorry? Party. Start. Farm. Huh? Then this is the R. Now this is the R for, which other word here? Water, brother, sister, mother, better, father, winter. Huh? Sorry? Peter. Are we getting it? Now this one is the R. This is the R for fast. What? Fast. Far. That far. What does this far mean? Okay. Huh? Sorry? Birds, yes. Bird. Girl. Huh? Which one? Are we together? Farm. Now, I'll separate these words. Now that I read them, they say the R has to come out. That you have to say, water. Intia nagamba, thirst. The R, that R is there, but it's not a calling the way how people spoil it. People confuse accent with English. The other part of their accent. Aha, pair, pair. No being pitebio. Aha. Nectar, tutor, vector, conductor. Now this is the O for four, eh? Four, okay? All together? Force. Then this is the R, four. Yes, Ford. Now this is the R for ban, far, father, furniture, future, nature, nurture, nurse, basa. Thank you, members.